Tectonic shift. Shaping the future with innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Docker Mastery Podcast. In this video, we will learn the difference between images and containers as this is the most asked question. So let's get started. We don't just have containers, we also have images when working with Docker. Now, what is the difference and why do we need both? We already heard about containers in the previous episodes. You learned that containers in the end are small packages, you could say, that contain both your application, your website, your node server, whatever it is, and also, and that's important, the entire environment to run that application. So a container is therefore a running unit of software. It is the thing which you run in the end, but when working with Docker, we also need a concept called images, because images will be the templates, the blueprints for containers. It's actually the image which will contain the code and the required tools to execute the code. And it's the container that then runs and execute the code. And we have this split, this separation here so that we can create an image with all these setup instructions and all our code once. But then we can use this image to create multiple containers based on that image. So that, for example, if we talk about a Node.js web server application, we can define it once, but run it multiple times on different machines and different servers. And the image is that shareable package with all the setup instructions and all the code and dependencies. And the container will be the concrete running instance of such an image. So we run containers which are based on images. That is a core fundamental concept. Docker is all about, in the end, images and containers, where images are the blueprints, the templates which contain the code and the application, and containers are then the running application based on the image. So that's all for today. Let's get our hands dirty by running our first container in the next episode. Until then, bye bye.